Hello, I'm Steve, this is a Bit of Munch, and it's day 6 of curry week. I'm having a budget curry today. Morrisons Savers, chicken curry and rice, 85 pence. Yeah, only 85 pence for 400 grams of food. And here it is, before it's cooked, of course. Now it says to stir, what does it say? Make me laugh actually the way it's worded on the pack. Yeah, microwave for 6 minutes, peel back film lid, stir rice and curry separately. Well, how are you going to do that when it's all together and there's no divider down the middle? How are you going to stir them separately? So when this goes on the plate, it's probably mostly going to be mixed up. Yeah, then once you've stirred it separately, recover and cook for a further 2.5 minutes, so 8.5 minutes in total. Right, 47% rice in this thing. Oh, where's the product description? There it is. Cooked chicken breast pieces in a curry sauce served with cooked long grain rice. Chicken is 11%, so yes, it's a low percentage of chicken, but it's only 85p, so it's what do you expect really? Then you've got usual curry sort of spices. It has got coconut in it, so it might be a little bit korma-like. That's a good word, isn't it? It's mild. One thing, oh, yeah, I hadn't noticed that until now. You have a look at the old traffic light system. It's all greens. That's good. Yeah. Right, I don't think there's much else I can tell you about it, really. Produced for Morrisons from Thai chicken. Okay. Right, I'll get that microwaved and I'll bring you back. Right, I'm back. Here it is. And yes, quite a lot of it is all mixed up, which I thought it would be, but doesn't really matter. Right, I've separated the bits of chicken here. And you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bits of chicken. I don't think there's any more under there. No, I don't think so. Oh, hang on. Oh, that's the end of that bit. Yeah, 6 bits of chicken. So not a huge amount, but bear in mind the price. But yeah, remember that, because... Okay, let's see if I can try a bit of the, hang on, let's get my spoon. See if I can try a bit of the rice on its own first. I can get any, without any sauce on it. There's only a tiny bit of sauce on that. I think the best thing to do with this rice is mix it all in with the sauce to give it some taste. Because there is no taste whatsoever to that. And it's a little on the claggy side, shall we say. Yeah, it doesn't taste of anything whatsoever. Okay, let's try the sauce. And this sauce smells very strongly, well, pretty strongly, of coconut. And there was a tiny bit of chicken in there as well. Right. I'm mixing that all together. So there's no point in having the rice separate because you can't taste it at all. So let's give it a good old mix. Right, the taste anyway. I thought that was another bit of chicken, but it's just a lump of the claggy rice. Okay, yeah, quite a strong coconut taste. Extremely mild in spice, which is what you expect from something like this, isn't it? Because a budget curry isn't aimed at people who want a real strong chili hit, is it? And this actually would be, well, ideal for kids. A kid's introduction to a curry, actually. I quite like it. Let's try a bit of the chicken. It's not the best chicken, but it's definitely not the worst. It really isn't. It's quite acceptable. I think for 85p, this is damn good. Yeah. Very mildish taste. The main taste is coconut. Very creamy. Once you mix the rice in with the sauce, it loses that claggy texture. The seasoning's okay. For something like this, it's okay. And I think that's good. I really do think that's good for the money. I've had I've had microwave meals that have cost a lot more than this and haven't been as enjoyable as this, really. Yeah. I recommend that. I really do. Yeah, well impressed with that. And I'm getting a tiny little bit of chilli at the back of the throat now, but it's so small you barely notice it. 85p, Morrisons Savers, chicken curry and rice. Yep, it's a good one. Okay, thanks for watching. Tune in at 2 p.m. tomorrow for the final video of this series. And, well, I think it's a really good one. It's definitely something a bit different. Definitely different. I hope you like it. I did. I'll see you tomorrow.